असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video I am going to solve exercise 4.1 problem number 6. Look at the question. Find the value of n in each of the following given three questions. First one is 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Second one, minus 3 power n plus 1 into minus 3 power 5 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. And third one, 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. So here we have to find the value of n in three problems. Okay, right? I am going for first problem. 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Okay, right. So we have one formula, a power n into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. The use of this formula, I am going to write this LHS part. So a is equals to 2 by 3, m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 5. So 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 by 3 n minus 2. Is it clear? Right. Next. So this becomes 2 by 3 whole power 8 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. So we have one more formula here. A power n is equals to a power n. That implies m is equals to n. So in the both the sides, LHS and RHS side, we have same base. If we have same base, we can equal the power, nothing but exponents. Okay, right. So we have same bases here. They are 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Okay, right. So that is why I am going to equal the exponents. What are the exponents we have here? 8 comma n minus 2. Okay, right. Now those two are equal. 8 is equals to n minus 2 with the use of this formula. Okay, right. So transpose this minus to LHS side. What becomes? 8 plus 2 is equals to n. This becomes 10 is equals to n. Nothing but n equals to 10 we got here. Okay, right. Now what is the value for n? N equals to 10 is the answer we got here. Okay, this is about first problem. Now we go for problem number 2. Right. Look at the second one. Minus 3 power n plus 1 into minus 3 power 5 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. Okay. So apply the same formula here. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n is the formula. Okay, right. So apply this formula here. It becomes minus 3 power n plus 1 plus 5 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. So I am applying this formula for LHS side. Okay, right. This is the we got here. So it becomes minus 3 power n plus 6 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. Okay, right. Now what becomes? So we have one more formula here. A power m is equals to a power n. That implies m equals to n, isn't it? So if the bases are same, opposite sides, okay, we need to equal the exponents here. Okay, right. So what are the bases? So a is equals to minus 3 and m is equals to n plus 6 n is equals to minus 4. So we have to equal m equals to nothing but m is n plus 6 is equals to minus 4. Okay, so n is equals to transpose this 6 to RHS side. What becomes? It becomes minus 6. So n is equals to minus 4 minus 6, it is minus 10. Okay, right. So n equals to minus 10 we got. Okay, this is the problem number 2. Right. Next, problem number 3. Right. 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. Okay, right. 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by nothing but we can write by 49 is equals to 7 cube. Next step, this 49 we can write 7 power 2n plus 1 by 49 we can write 7 power 2, that is equals to 7 cube. Okay, so we can done this problem in 2 methods, in 2 ways. Okay, so 7 power 2n plus 1 is equals to transpose this to RHS side, becomes 7 cube into 7 square. So what becomes now? 7 power 2n plus 1 is equals to this we can write, we have one formula, a power n into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula. With the use of this formula, this RHS becomes 7 power 3 plus 2, isn't it? Right. Next, 7 power 2n plus 1 is equals to 7 power 5 it is. Is it clear? Now again with the same formula, a power m is equals to a power n, we can write m equals to n. With the use of this formula, this becomes 2n plus 1 is equals to 5. So bases are same, that is why I am going to equal here exponents, that is nothing but this is 2n plus 1 equals to 5. So 2n is equals to transpose this 1 to RHS side, it becomes 5 minus 1. Okay, now what becomes? So I am writing here, I am erasing this. So 2n is equals to 5 minus 1, it is 4. So n is equals to 4 by 2. Okay, transpose this to RHS side, becomes denominator to the 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, n equals to 2 we got. Okay, right, this is one way. So n equals 2 is the answer. So otherwise we can use another way here. What is that? So write down this first, pause the video, write down this first. Right, so I am going to erase this. So in the previous way, I transpose this 7 square to the RHS side. So if you take like this also, 7 power 2n plus 1 into 7 power minus 2 is equals to 7 cube. This 7 square we can write 7 power minus 2 also. Okay, is equals to 7 power 3. The use of which formula? A power 1 by a power minus m is equals to a power m formula, or so you can write 1 by a power minus 1 by a power m is equals to a power minus m formula. The use of this formula, the 7 power minus 2 becomes 7 square becomes 7 power minus 2. Okay, right. So again same formula, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. With that formula this becomes 7 power 2n plus 1 plus minus 2, isn't it? So I'm adding the minus 2 to 2n plus 1. Okay, right. So this becomes 7 cube as it is. Next, 7 power 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 7 cube, plus into minus minus 2 here. So this becomes 7 power 2n plus 1 minus 2, nothing but it becomes minus 1, 7 cube as it is. Okay, right. I'm erasing this. So what it becomes, both the sides bases are same, that is why I am going to equal the exponents here. So which formula it is? A power m is equals to a power n, that implies m equals to n formula. So this formula it becomes 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. Is it clear? Right. So 2n is equals to 3 plus 1, 2n is equals to 4, n equals to 4 by 2, this 2 comes to here, 2 1s are 2 2s are, n equals to 2. In both the ways we got n equals to 2 only. Okay, remember that thing, right? Pause the video, write the notes.